Hi, again, today we're demonstrating our CGF or constant grip force chuck in a 175 millimeter body size. What we're going to be showing today is that the chuck has a very high degree of repeatability, less than 5 micron repeatable. What that means is you can use it for first and second operations where you have to be highly accurate. And by being highly accurate, you get better part quality. So we've got a dial indicator set up here. Each number is a micron, and what we're going to do is we're going to unclamp the workpiece and reclamp it, and you'll see the high accuracy that this chuck achieves. There you go. 3 microns of repeatability.